I'm already here at St. Clair, and I've been planning to buy a doorknob. Until now I haven't gotten. It's that I need a time to actually come here at Home Depot. I'm going to Home Depot today. That's the plan. To buy a, because I'm renting my place. So of course renters won't rent your place if there's no lock on their door. There's a doorknob but there's no lock. There's no key that locks it. We have this Home Depot here. It's our neighborhood. I like where I live because everything is here. So everything is here on just on the neighborhood. It's on my way to home. So it's like my stop is 3 stops from here. So I might as well just pass here by. There's a streetcar going eastbound. Oh, it's a long day for me. And then I'm going to Home Depot to buy. It's around 8:30 now. Summer. This is the look of summer. Isn't it so nice? I really like sunshine. Every time I like sunshine. So there's two like stores, like Canadian Tire, Home Depot. That's whenever you need something for your house. There's actually 2 stores. It's just in my neighborhood. It's getting cold and chilly. It's I don't know, I was not dressed for the weather. Yeah, I'm just gonna buy a door lock. So, oh my god, it's getting chilly. I'm so afraid when it's getting chilly, so it means summer is almost over. So we're oh well, it's almost August. Obviously summer, we didn't really have so much heat, so which is okay. Maybe 2 or 3 weeks humid, and that's it. We're back to normal weather and getting to the cold weather. Oh, very, very cold. It's the Canadian Tire there. It's the same kind of what you're selling here in Home Depot, but Home Depot is more of like house construction. Canadian Tire is more of automobile, but they pretty much carry whatever parts of the house. You know, they both carry plants. This is the good thing about. I'm gonna enter from the side. Oh my god, what is this? Perennial. Perennial is perennials are the one you don't have to plant every year, and annual is every year you have to plant it. How much is it? $21.98. Should I buy it?
That's all inside. Yeah, I'll too. Thank you.
That's interesting, perennial. So yeah, I'm going. I don't know if I already have covered Home Depot in all my videos. What about this? What about this? And of course, my favorite part of every place that I go is the washroom. I have to look for. Oh, what are this? Yeah. So yeah, they have this. How many? Lawnmower, but it's so heavy, so I don't think I could use that one. See those lawnmowers? I don't think I could use them because maybe this. How to run it? I have to have a lawnmower. It's 198. Yeah. I need a lawnmower that's light because I'm a woman. Yeah, I need to go to the washroom badly. I have to look for the one. I'm here for the doorknob. So I'm here. But I need to go to the washroom first. Air conditioner, portable aircon. Oh, I'm passing by a different kind of lighting. Yeah. It's different. How about this? This is so cute. Oh my god. It's only 209. But would you like that to be interior, please? Not really. I don't think so. Oh, this is good for laundry. Isn't it nice? Laundry. But this is for the kitchen for sure. Okay, time for the washroom. Ooh, that's so different. Oh, I was here earlier. Just realized. It's so cute. What does this do? Protector. Sir, where could I find donuts?
Donuts?
Yeah.
15.
50? Thank you. Oh, here. The one that, oh, they're so expensive. No, that has a deadlock. I don't like the one that. This is doorknobs. This is 2 doorknobs. 73. What do you think? How do you know they're pricey? It's $38. And there's it should be I want the one that has a handle on it. This one, but there's no key. Twin deadbolts located. It's expensive. This one is okay, $3.98. This is the one, $59.92. It has lock there. This is okay, 20. Maybe I'll buy this. I like something. I don't like the color. I like something like this. I don't like something gold. Maybe white. This one is $28.98. Yeah, maybe this one. $28.88. Where are they? Okay. Maybe this kid entry. Need entry. Yeah. Yeah, they so they could lock in here. Inactive. More flowers here. It's only $11 now. But I know that this won't last long. Oh, see? It's already... They're just nice now. Are they annuals? I think these are annuals. Annuals are the plants that you plant every... Oh, they're actually perennials. Wow. But I don't have a green thumb. That's my problem. Yeah, $22. I don't think I'll spend. I don't have a green thumb. They die right away. That's my problem. They're just so nice to look at. Oh, these are expensive. $40. $40. What's the name? Dipladenia. Yeah, they're so expensive. Time to go home. I got what I needed. These are only $19. And these are what? These are probably annuals, just to know. Okay, time to go home. It's nighttime.